So this week I did something insane. I opened up Claude AI and I typed, make me as much money as possible. That was it. No business idea, no experience, no budget, and no plan. So I took the list that Claude gave me and I gave it to another AI model to rip it apart. And what was left at the end are 6 Claude AI side hustles that no one's talking about. Now, what I've also done to make your life easier is I've created the prompts, the skills, and the Canvas whiteboard that shows you all the examples, and they'll be available straight away in the pinned comment. There is a like goal of 250 likes. We don't have to hit it, but it shows me that you want to see more videos like this. Now, the first side hustle that I'd recommend is the done for you arbitrage. So basically how this works is you sell one specific deliverable. Claude does 90% of the work, faster path to your first $1,000. So let's say, for example, a business pays between $100 to $1,000 for an SEO audit. You can do things like pitch decks, research reports, email sequences. Claude drafts all of this in minutes, you polish and you deliver it, but don't sell generic gigs. Now, I gave you guys a generic SEO gig just as it's the one that most people understand. And you're gonna wanna niche down as hard as you can in specific high-paying niches. For example, investor-ready pitch decks for SaaS startups. So for example, when these new software companies are coming out, they need to create something called a pitch deck to show to investors. Now you can build those pitch decks for those people. So these are the steps that you need to take to make this real. Number 1, pick one hyper-specific deliverable for one niche. Narrow it to the less competition, but they pay more money. A lot of beginners think I'm gonna try and sell something to the masses, but then the masses can't afford it. So you're gonna wanna find a specific niche, and then you're gonna be able to find people that have the money to spend. Now, there is a really good way to do this. You can go to Claude Cowork and you can say, I want you to find me specific niches that pay high for done for you arbitrage. Then what it will do is it will find the niches and it will come up with ideas for you. So that's how you're going to be using Claude Cowork first to do the research for you. Then once it's given you some ideas, you can then go over to a website called Fiverr or Upwork. This is where freelancers offer those services. And then you can go on there to see what prices they're offering it to customers. Then what you're going to do is you're going to want to draft up a few examples using Claude. You can do Claude Design for these, or you can use Claude Code. But as soon as you've made some examples that you can show, you can then start outreaching to clients. And then you're going to go back to Claude Cowork to say to Claude Cowork, I want you to find me people that I could sell this service to. I need you to find their email addresses. I need you to find their profiles so that you can outreach to them. And then when you outreach to them, you can attach these drafts, examples that you've created so they can see the quality of work. It's like your portfolio. They can see the quality of your work. Now, the great thing about Claude Cowork is you've got something called connectors. Now, inside of connectors, you can connect your Gmail, your Outlook. You can connect most things to Claude. So when it comes to outreach, you don't need to do it yourself. You can connect your Gmail and tell Claude Cowork to go out. The people that's found based on their email addresses, you can tell it to go out there and send those emails for you. Now, let me give you guys a real example of this side hustle. So let's say, for example, Marcus has 0 experience, but has a full-time job. Picks one thing, which is investors pitch decks for early stage SaaS founders. He has a full-time job, but he wants to do investor pitch decks for SaaS. Claude builds a clean 12-slide pitch deck from rough notes in around about 90 minutes. He lists an Upwork gig for $250 and lands 4 in 1 month, then raises it to $450 after 3 reviews. And then essentially he then matches the market rate of around about $150 to $850. So that example I've given you guys is real, it's legit, and it's happened from somebody on Upwork. So the second Claude AI side hustle is micro app lead magnets. So what you're going to want to do is build a free interactive tool with artifacts that capture emails, and then you sell that list. So for example, selling a $9 tool with no audience makes $0. Flip it, give the tool away for completely free, a tight niche, capture emails, monetize the list, and offer affiliate product or services. Now, this side hustle has become massive and there are people making millions of dollars from it. Now, I know that's one extreme, but then there's also people that are doing this now and making $1,000 to $10,000 a month. Now, let me give you guys a real example that's been built and verified. What Priya does to get leads is she posts this into 5 subreddits, 3 Facebook groups, and in 3 weeks, 600 people have targeted emails. 1 email to the list, a supplement affiliate link, plus her $19 meal plan template. So basically how this works is, let's say for example, Priya is in the fitness niche, which clearly she was. What essentially happens is you build a free tool for people to track their macros, their calories. Usually this is hidden behind a paywall, so people don't like using them. So what you do is you give the tool away for completely free and you build it using Claude code or artifacts. And again, it's so easy to build this, by the way. And what you do is when you join these subreddits or Facebook groups, you search in those groups for keywords like how to track my calories, how to track this, the best websites, the best apps. You reply to those responses saying, I've been using this tool, it's completely free to track my macros, my calories. There's a few free meal plans in there. I used to be fed up of having to pay for these other ones. I thought I'd leave it here as I've seen a lot of you guys asking for the best free options. That way the admins in the groups aren't likely to take it down because they don't think you're affiliated with it. So this is a really good option. Now, the third Claude AI side hustle is the custom AI system prompt service. So you build and sell custom AI setups for people who write terrible instructions with zero coding. Every business wants its own custom AI, but most write bad instructions and get generic junk. You build a bulletproof tested system prompt and Claude projects in client's exact voice. Now, this side hustle is a little bit more advanced than the other two, so you might want to come back to this once you've built up a little bit of knowledge and skills using Claude. It's still completely beginner friendly, but it will require a little bit more skill. Dan builds a custom Claude project that writes property listings in a retailer's exact tone, punchy, no cliche, always ending with a booking call to action. He charges $400 to build it and a $99 monthly retainer to look after it. It posts a 30-second before and after in real estate groups, again, Facebook groups, subreddits, and 3 agents say, I want that. 2 demo listings were built and verified. The prompt successfully blocks cliche words and enforces call to actions. Now, essentially how this works, guys, is the best example is real estate agents. So essentially, if they want to come up with property listings for like Airbnbs or other property websites like Zillow, usually they're just going to use OpenAI. Say to OpenAI, here's my listing, come up with a listing post for me. They then copy the OpenAI's response and put it on the listing without them even realizing that it just sounds like AI slop because it doesn't understand the context of being a real estate or a real estate agent. So what your job is to create a custom skill. You could even sell the skill or you create a custom project for them where it speaks in non-cliche terms and it understands everything about real estate. And then what you can do is you can join Facebook groups and show them the examples, AI slop listings versus your listings. And you can create like previews using Claude Design. So you can say to Claude Design, make me some examples of property listings. You can take some real life ones off Zillow and just get them to remake it and show the difference like before and after AI slop versus your actual project. You post that in a few Facebook groups, a few Reddit groups, you're gonna start getting people asking you how to get it. You might not want to explain the price on the post. You might want to then tell them to message you on Facebook and then you tell them the price. That way you're avoiding getting yourself banned. So the fourth Claude AI side hustle is the niche curator newsletter. So the way this works is a hyper-specific B2B newsletter where Claude reads the industry and you keep the asset. For example, Faceless AI video is saturated and getting demonetized in 2026. Build something you own instead, an email list. Claude synthesizes 30 to 50 industry articles a week into 3 actionable insights. Publish on places like Beehive, which monetize fast. So Sophia launches AI for dental practices on Beehive. Claude reads 40 dental articles weekly and pulls the 3 things an owner should do this week. 4 months in, 1,200 subscribers each, a business owner, a dental software company, sponsors at $500. So that's an example of a real person that took this idea. Now you're going to want to go to Claude Cowork and give it this prompt. Help me launch a weekly B2B newsletter on hyper-specific niches. Give me 10 name ideas. First issue is fully written from these 3 articles and simple plan to get my first 100 subscribers. So essentially what you're trying to do is build a subscribe newsletter. So people are subscribing to your newsletters because they love them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find people want to sponsor your newsletter. So for example, if you're talking about dental clinics and how AI is changing them, if you build newsletters that have 1,000 subscribers that are watching that newsletter, companies are going to want to sponsor your newsletter for $100 to $500 because they want exposure to your viewers. So that's essentially how it works. And like I said, there is a company called Beehive that allows you to monetize very fast. Now, although this is option number 4 on today's list, I would say it's probably one of the best ones to start because the startup costs are extremely low. It's just your subscription plan on Claude, and you can start monetizing within around about 1 to 3 months. Now, the 5th Claude AI side hustle is the AI automation service. So this essentially is automate one painful task, start with a one-off cleanup, then turn it into a monthly retainer. Essentially, you take in monthly payments. The most lucrative method is co-work, projects, and skills. Make Claude a digital employee, sell a one-off startup, and then run it as a maintenance fee where they charge a monthly retainer. Now, here's a real-life example built and verified. So you've got Andre, who targets med spas that never reply to Google reviews. Offer, I'll reply to every Google review, your brand voice, automatically $350 to set up a co-work workflow, plus a $400 monthly retainer to run it. Then what he did is he DM'd 20 in a week and closed 2. So essentially you're DMing all of these medical spas on Instagram or all the social media platforms, or even emailing them, whichever way gets them onto communication. Usually though, Instagram DMs were the best. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna help these companies reply to reviews automatically, because that essentially helps the company's listings on Google and on their Trustpilot. When you leave reviews unresponded, you get a bad score. Now, what you need to do is you need to find a niche first. I've given you guys medical spas as an example. It could be Thai massages, it could be sports massages, sports therapists, chiropractors. These are just some examples that you can do. You're gonna wanna find the ones that are not responding to their Google reviews, their Trustpilot reviews, or the websites where they might have reviews. And you're going to want to reach out to them and say, you're not responding to your reviews, it's damaging your business. These are the reasons why it damages your business. And then you're going to offer them an automation service using Claude Cowork. So the 6th and final Claude AI side hustle is the vibe coded Chrome extensions. Now, this is probably my favorite one on the list because I've done it myself. So what you're going to want to do is use Claude Code to build tiny Chrome extensions that solve one annoying problem and then charge a monthly subscription. Now, these are actually really easy to build, and I build them for myself all the time. Now, a full SaaS is way too complex for a beginner, and that's why I don't recommend it. Whereas vibe-coded Chrome extensions are the beginner-friendly alternative. So aim at the perfect small target, a single-purpose Chrome extension. Now, you might already have loads of Chrome extensions on your laptop. I certainly do. And usually the good ones have a subscription of between $5 and $10 a month. Some of them are even, I think, $25 a month. You could just do $5 to $10. Build a YouTube distraction remover extension, hides the sidebar, hides the comments and the homepage, built in a weekend, zero coding, listed at $4 a month. Posted it in the productivity subreddits. 80 paying users in 2 months, 80 people paying for that, which is a few $100s a month. Now, the good thing with these is it's a long-term asset as well, so you can sell these for like $10,000 to $50,000 quite quickly. And essentially, you're getting customers by going into subreddits, going to YouTube, making organic content on TikTok, talking about it. And essentially, a lot of people use YouTube as a way to study these days, for university, for job. Now, the real reason why most people fail come down to 2 things: rejection. They do this, they find that they send emails out, they send DMs out, they don't find people answering, or people will answer and simply say no. They get rejected and they burn out and don't carry on. And the truth is, guys, it's a numbers game. Out of 100 people you message, maybe 3 will respond. The other thing is, it's volume, guys. You need to be doing volume. With AI now, sending out 200 emails, sending out 200 DMs is not hard. Back in the day when I started in 2016, sending it out manually was so difficult. There is no excuse why you can't do volume. If you're only sending out 5 to 10 DMs a day, or maybe 1 DM a week, you're never going to see results. Let me know which is your favorite on this list. I'll leave the examples and the canvas board in the pinned comment and in the description Don't forget to destroy the like button because it will support the channel and motivate me to make more videos. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you on the next video.